Hello and namaskar to my YouTube family and welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog I'll be sharing a new recipe with you all, and that's chicken curry. This recipe is going to be a very simple recipe. We are not going to grind any masalas. I'm just going to make out of powder. Okay, so I'm just going to use all the powders for this. Not any coconut or nothing like that. Okay, so please come and join me. So this is half kg chicken I've taken. It's cleaned and it's washed. Okay, and this is the dry masalas, like dry powders. So red chili powder I've taken over here. This is spicy one, so that's I've taken very little. This is garam masala powder, and this one is dhania powder, coriander seeds powder. Okay, this is Kashmiri chili powder. Okay, for little for the color sake. And this I've taken turmeric powder, some salt as per taste. Okay, then this is 3 onions I've taken finely chopped, some whole masalas, garam masalas for the bagar. So 2 cloves I've taken, 6 to 7 black pepper, and just 1 cardamom I've taken. Okay, just 1 cardamom I've taken. I'm not going to use much of garam masalas to this. Then some curds and ginger garlic paste and 1 potato, just roughly chopped. Okay, so now let's start with the okay, I'll require some oil also, and freshly chopped coriander leaves. That is very important. So without that the recipe is incomplete, right? So now we are going to start with the recipe now. So please come and join me. Okay, so the oil has been heated, so I'm going to add the whole garam masala to this and the onion in this. Okay, so this onion has to get nicely brown. Unless it doesn't become brown, we're not going to add any masala. So let this get brown. I've kept the gas on high flame only. So stir it well in the between and let it get cooked. So this is 3 onions I've taken. You all can add more onions also as per chicken. I've just taken half kg chicken, that's it. See, color changing of the onion, it's getting golden brown. So I'm going to do it nice golden brown. Don't burn the onion, okay? Now you can make the gas flame slow, you can keep. So earlier I kept it fast. So then this onion doesn't get burnt. I'm going to add all the masalas to this now, the dry masalas. Give a stir little. And then you can add the ginger garlic paste. So I'm going to add curds to this now. Give a good stir. Let this get cooked for 2 minutes at least. Keep that in mind. Okay. Wow, see. It needs to cook still, huh? Just 2 minutes have become for this. I'm going to add little of water to this. Okay, so it doesn't get burned from down, that's all. Okay, so let this get cooked at least 5 to 7 minutes more. Okay, so 7 minutes have become. Let me see. Still it needs to boil. The potato has to get boiled still. Okay. So I'm just going to check the potatoes are boiled or not. Okay. Yeah, just 2 minutes it needs to be cooked more. Okay. Okay, so finally the recipe is ready. See, potatoes also cooked well, and even the chicken also. So now I'm going to add some kasturi methi and some freshly chopped coriander leaves. So I'm going to off the gas now. The recipe is ready, okay? So I'm going to dish it out now. So finally my chicken recipe is ready, chicken curry, okay? It's a very simple recipe and it tastes very nice. So please try this recipe and let me know in the comment box how does it turn out, okay? And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So for till then, bye, take care.